Here is a girl, Laika, typing an email to her friend Dolly. When she hits send, the email is in the internet. But what does it mean for the email to be in the internet? First, let's talk about the components of the internet. Although the internet has a very broad meaning, I will specifically talk about the World Wide Web, WWW for short, which is part of the internet and the easily accessed to the most part. The WWW consists of computers that are interconnected with each other to form a large and complex net, some of which make servers and others are our computers, internet providers, etc. So, how does the email navigate its way to Laika's friend? This has to do with something called the IP address of the World Wide Web, which means that every device connected to the World Wide Web needs to have an IP, which stands for Internet Protocol. The email identifies the server using that IP address, and then the server takes the email and sends copies of it to several databases of the same server around the world. This is important because if one of the servers goes down for any reason, there is always other databases to back it up. Now, when Dolly checks her email inbox, the server sends one of the saved copies to her computer using her IP address. And there she gets the email. However, we need to know, how does Dolly access the email website in the first place? First, she types the URL for the website, which becomes translated into the IP of the email website. Then, the website sends the information back when the page is loading in 3 languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML holds the content of the web page, which in this case is the titles, the images, and Laika's email. CSS, however, shapes the style of the web page, such as colors, background, alignments, etc. JavaScript focuses on making the website interactive and responsive, which could include effects, drop-down lists, etc. Basically, this sums up all about accessing, sending, and viewing information on the internet. At the end, thanks for watching this tutorial.